Okay, hey, I'm back. Okay, so I have to do short videos on each part. Okay, so again, if you remember from the other video, sulfuric acid and baking soda is a basic acid-base reaction, and you're always going to get water. In this case, you're going to get those bubbles from the carbon dioxide, from the baking soda, and a salt. So all neutralization acid-base reactions, you always give you water and salt. In this case, we also get bubbles from the gas. So another way of also looking at this is a double displacement. So the H2 and the SO4, right, they're going to switch places with the sodium and the carbonate. So they're going to switch. So you can see in my products that I formed, sodium is no longer with the carbonate. It's switched places and is with the SO4. Okay? So our products, and I also put it with the ions here. So the hydrogen, 2 hydrogens, and the sulfate, because it has a 2- charge, and each hydrogen is +1. So I have the 2 of these hydrogens went into making the water, the H2O. Okay? And one of the oxygens from the carbonate went into that. The other CO2, the other 2 oxygens from the carbonate, makes that CO2. And then we are left with the sodium and the sulfate. So they switched places, okay? So that's how we get to this point. There's another way of just going inventory, like how many H's, how many S's, how many O's. But I think for the purposes of this type of reaction, I'm going to just show you by using the products. I'm going to balance this whole thing, H2O with the CO2 product and the Na2SO4. I just hope you see how those products came from here. So balancing equation is basically the reactants and the products. You have to have the same elements, and you have to have the same number of elements. I was just trying to show you in this segment where those came from in the products. Okay, that's it for this one.